Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see on ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT and who created this ChatGPT, and through this ChatGPT what are all the features which is involved and what we can do with this ChatGPT, and how we can create the various source codes for using this ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can be abbreviated as chatbot. It is nothing but a chatbot. So which is nothing but a software and allows the users to ask the questions using any conversational or natural language, and it can be abbreviated as a generative pre-training transformer. So chat, it is a chatbot. So it can be abbreviated as chat and GPT. So in the chat, G stands for generative, and P stands for pre-trained, and T for the transform. So it is nothing but pre-trained based on the training which is provided by this AI developers. They trained this software, and it acts as a chatbot, and it answers the questions which we places to this chatbot. So why it is called the ChatGPT? It was developed by the AI research company OpenAI. So the OpenAI developed this ChatGPT, and it is an AI chatbot technology that processes our natural human language and generate the response. So it was launched in November 2022, and it was trained with the data till 2021 alone. So when whatever all the history that was happened after 21, that is in 22 and 23, whatever the historical changes, whatever happens in these 2 years, when it was asked to the chat gpt, it cannot answer. So since it was trained only till 2021. So how does it work? It is built by the OpenAI, and it answers various questions. Write copy, draft email, hold the conversation, and explain the code and different programming languages. It translates the natural language to code and many more. So let's see how the ChatGPT works. So you can enter into chat.openai.com, and you should create your login. You should take a new chat. You can take a new chat, and this is a place where you can place your question. Here you should ask for example, I'm typing write Python code. So it is immediately generating the Python code for palindrome checking. So within a second, this chatbot answers the question which we are placing. So even if I ask, instead of typing Python, if I place the same code for Java or C++, whatever wish, it answers immediately. So if you want to ask for a recipe for biryani, I'm asking for a recipe for biryani. So it will answer it immediately. So I should go for a new chat. I should ask, give me a recipe for mushroom gravy or biryani, whatever wish we can ask. So I have placed more than one question, so it is asking me to wait. So it is asking only one message at a time. So it immediately gives the recipe for mushroom gravy. So what are all the ingredients and what are all the instructions? So look at the speed of the way how it answers within second. So how you should prepare this mushroom gravy and what are all the instructions, everything was provided within a second. So this is a ChatGPT starting from the kitchen and ending till the coding. What are all the questions we place before this ChatGPT, it answers in a very well versed manner. So it hope this will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.